Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 3, exploring credible primary, secondary, and tertiary data sources about student success rates in the U.S., 120 points, 1,000 words. All right, let's scroll down and survey this assignment. We have a video here about this assignment. This is the video that you're listening to and watching now. Below the video, we have 5 links, and I'm going to ask you to read these 4 links here. The discussion 3, part 1 and part 2 due dates, I will go over with you so you are aware of assignment due dates. All right, scrolling down, let's see what else we have. We have a part 1 in this assignment, and we have a part 2. And down below that, we have help with quoting, as you will be quoting in MLA format. All right, I'm scrolling up and I'm going to read part 1 with you. A, read the information in the 7 sources listed here in this link very carefully. Then, in a minimum of 750 words, 3 pages, share your thoughts, feelings, and ideas about what you have learned, quoting data from at least 2 sources. What kind of writing should you complete? Write an informal essay, like a journal, sharing your thoughts, feelings, and ideas. Do not write the 5-paragraph essay. Use a variety of paragraphs of the kind described in the Chapter 1 essay and Chapter 3 essays in our textbook, This Little Book About How to Write a College-Level Essay. And please run a spell grammar check and do not make these easily avoidable errors in your posting. Okay, so looking over part 1, we have a couple of links. The first one is this link here, and these are the 7 data sources listed here. Okay, you do have links to these data sources. You should be able to access them. If you are not able to do so, as things on the internet move around, simply copy the source, paste it into Google, and do a search for it, and it should pop up. All right, I'm going to click on the back arrow and get back into our assignment directions. And we were looking at the links here. You have a Chapter 1 link, and you have an easily avoidable errors link, and I'll let you click on these. Okay, what do we do in part 2? Part 2, B. After you post your 750-word writing, respond in a minimum of 125 words, half a page, to 2 of your peers' postings for a total of 250 words or 1 page. How should you respond? Compare your peers' thoughts, feelings, and ideas about the data to your own, and share ideas about which credible data sources you think everybody should include in the research paper. Data that demonstrates that U.S. student success rates are low, and data that may help to explain why they are low. All right, so we understand what the assignment is about. I'm going to click on these due dates here. Discussion 3, part 1 and part 2 due dates. Timeline, submit part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, and submit part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. If you cannot make these due dates, then come over here to inbox, email me, let me know what's going on, why you're not able to submit on time, and together we'll try to work out a solution. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow so that I'm back into the assignment of discussion 3, and I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to email me. No question is silly or unimportant, and you're never emailing me too many times if you do not understand the directions. I need to make them clear to you. All right, let's get started on discussion 3.